General overview. Tesla changed the automotive world forever. Now it is doing the same thing to the way we live on the road. Welcome to NTX Auto. Today we are breaking down Tesla's most ambitious move yet, the Tesla Motorhome. From the outside, this does not look like a motorhome. It looks like a Tesla. Sharp geometric body lines, signature LED light strips, fully electric architecture. Panoramic windshield, flush-mounted windows, and two-tone matte metallic paint options. Tesla has pulled automotive design DNA into this vehicle and completely rejected the boxy RV aesthetic. Power and performance. The Tesla Motorhome is built on a dual-motor AWD platform derived from the Cybertruck and Semi. 580 horsepower and over 700 foot-pounds of torque, powered by Tesla's Ultium battery architecture. 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds. For a motorhome, that number has never existed before. Active air suspension absorbs rough road impact. Rear axle steering makes tight maneuvers and parking genuinely manageable. On a single charge, the electric drivetrain pushes over 500 kilometers of range under full load. Interior: step inside and forget everything you know about motorhomes. Real wood, leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents throughout. The main living area features a 75-inch OLED display and ambient lighting that automatically adjusts color temperature as the day changes. The kitchen has an induction cooktop, steam oven, and wine cooler. The bedroom has a king-size memory foam mattress, individual climate control, and sound-insulated walls. The bathroom: rain shower, heated marble floor, smart mirror. On the technology side, a 360 camera suite, autopilot parking mode, Starlink satellite internet, and full remote system management through the Tesla app. Software updates arrive over the air. Price. The question you have been waiting for. What does this actually cost? The base version starts at $395,000. A fully configured build with extended battery, solar panel integration, and premium interior packages reaches $520,000. This is not an impulse purchase. This is a lifestyle investment. Limited production, high resale value, and Tesla's long-term service network come with it. Is it worth the price? People have paid this kind of money for years on third-party conversion builds and custom coach manufacturers. The difference here is that Tesla delivers a ready-made, fully integrated, factory-built experience. If this video got you thinking, hit like and subscribe. At NTX Auto, we always go deeper than the surface. Drop a comment below and tell us, where would your first destination be in the Tesla Motorhome?